If you are a market agency that works with local businesses, then this is for you. Hot niches like solar, roofing, HVAC, chiro, or dental are gaining ground with immense potential, and they are looking for your help to run ads for them. But perhaps you are stuck because you are new to this niche and don't have any materials to get started. You are struggling to get results for clients. You don't have the time or skills to create engaging ads. Yet, you don't have all the money to spend hiring media buyers or contractors. If any of this sounds familiar, then you are not alone. Our plug-and-play white label kit makes it easy for you to get results for clients. Just copy and swipe the proven winning ads. What's more, get instant access to best performing ad copies, targeting that works, offer that kills, winning ad creatives, funnel templates, and some awesome bonuses. We've done all the hard work for you, so why stick with one niche when you can serve more? Order now to get started.